Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white. It looks great. Who doesn't love a nice crisp white truck? You do have the chrome accenting on the grille up here with your chrome bumper. You do have your tow hooks right there in case you need to pull anybody out of the ditch. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have our tires. Now they are Discover brand there. They look fantastic, and you do have your rims there. They are 17-inch rims. They look great. That chrome looks awesome. You do have the 3500 badging right there, and you do have your black exterior mirrors there. They are heated and they come with a turning signal on them, and they are the tow mirrors, so you can lift them up just like that. Now you got the tow mirrors on them, so you can see even farther back. Now coming all the way to the back, we do have a 6-foot box back here. It looks great. You have the chrome accenting on the bumper with your park sensors back here and your backup camera. Now, as long as it's unlocked, all we gotta do is just open it. 6-foot box back here. As I said, it does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. And you got tons of room to haul stuff. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You got a bit of chrome accenting on your handle. Another handle here, some storage here, and more down here with a place for a water bottle. Very spacious interior, very comfortable as well. These seats look fantastic and they feel great, very soft. You do also have the controls over them here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then right over here, we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control there. And then right here is the control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge. And in the center does say how many kilometers we have, so only 30,000, not very many at all. You also have which way we're facing, northwest, the temperature outside, and how many kilometers we're going. But we can change that around. We can change that to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was distracting to you. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and cruise control options on the other side. Now we also have our gear shift right there, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM in there, as well as you do have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Then you got your compass here, your settings, and your more options just down there. Now we also have our volume up and down with our mute, our screen off, back button, and our tuner and browser. You have your hazard lights up here. You have the power here with the circulation, your AC and heat, and you have your defrost with your where it's going to blow out of there. Then you have your trailer brake down here. You have your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, and your parking sensors. Then you can open that guy up. There's some storage in there. You got a plug in there and a USB plug in right there. And then over here we do have 3 cup holders with our armrest. Doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders here. You have a USB and an aux cord plug in right there. Then you can close that guy up, open this up. You do have another seat under there. It does seat 6 people all together. And there is a secret little compartment just under there. Nice to hide some stuff if you did need to. You also got some storage here and some more here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up here, that guy is the control over the little window in the back right there. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you do have the control over your windows. You have that same chrome accenting handle here, storage, and some more. Lots of room back here. It is a crew cab, as I said. It looks fantastic. The seats are very soft. You can also fold this down like this. You got an armrest with some cup holders as well. You got more cup holders just right there. You can fold these seats up just like this, and you got additional storage just underneath there. And then you can also fold these like this. And then you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. There is a bigger one on the other side. And then you can access your storage just underneath there as well. And there's our 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2015 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.